Hi everyone, my name is Guy Lecker, I'm a machine learning engineer at Iguazio, and today we're going to cover one of MLRun's 1.7 new features, the model monitoring. In this demo, we are going to have a banking chatbot, and we want to make sure our bot do not reply to any question that is not related to banking. In order to do so, we are going to set monitoring to this model, and this monitor, once it detects the model is answering all questions, it will simply trigger a workflow that will fine-tune it and redeploy it. This is our entire feedback loop, and let's begin. So at first, we're going to set some credentials, create an MLRun project. By the way, this entire code is available in GitHub. So let's set our LLM as a judge. To do so, we have generated some very simple data set that is available in Hugging Face. We are going to create an accuracy metric, and we're creating the evaluation set from it. This is our set. So what is an artificial neural network? As a banking agent, I am not allowed to talk on this subject. So this is our expected answer. At first attempt, we're going to have a naive prompt. We're going to have this prompt. So 1 score if model answer for banking questions, 0 score otherwise. And once we test it on the evaluation set, we get 51% accuracy, which is not good. The second attempt will have a much richer prompt with examples and examples of what means score 0 and score 1. And when we use this prompt, now the accuracy is 100%. So great, we're going to use this judge. We're going to set the monitoring function. We're going to deploy it, and now let's deploy the LLM. This is usual stuff. The only new thing is the set tracking method here, and now we want to deploy. Once it is deployed, I'm going to test the model, and I can see that as expected, as this model is the base Gamma 2 billion model, it is the monitor and judge is being triggered because it is very poor, 0.1 accuracy. So we're going to fine-tune it, and using ORPO, we're just going to trigger this function. This is the entire training. It's a pretty short training, only 2 epochs. And once it is done, we are going to redeploy it. And now when we test it, we can see the judge scores it much higher. So now we're going to have an automated feedback loop based on the alert that is configured, and we can see it here. And that's basically the new model monitoring of MLRun 1.7. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.